In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Then click on simple mode and tap on enable to activate it. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access devices settings. Click on exit symbol at the bottom in the middle and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!